What is good, YouTube? The Swift One here. You guys, it's a little bit out of my element of videos, but I'm fixing a drawer today. I got a bedroom suit from my father when he passed away a couple years ago, and I mean, it's just pressed wood, OSB, particle board, whatever, however you want to have it, look at it. But my wife, she has to stuff everything full until it just explodes and throws up all over itself. So it's a beautiful bedroom suit, but I've got to fix this, and I wanted to put minimal work into it as possible. So I found this yesterday at Roll King, and I'm going to give it a try. Yeah, I have in my bedroom doing this. It's my newborn son you hear in the background. Well, not newborn, but newer. So what you have is a putty. It's a two-part. Let's see here when I get it out. It's, if I can get my camera to focus in there, it's multicolored. It's because you've got the activators and the chemicals and everything like that, and as you squeeze this, it mixes together. So what I'm going to do here, get you guys up on try not to blind you real quick, because I got one of my lights over there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off what I need. There's a clear plastic film around this. So let's just start with a little chunk. And from what I've heard in the other videos that I've watched on YouTube, you got to work with this really fast because it sets up in about 15 minutes. So the outside is really sticky. I haven't even started mixing yet, or squishing, or however you want to look at it. You just gotta want to try and get it in frame. Take this plastic off real quick. Alright. Trying to get it off my fingers into my trash can. I hate using my room to do stuff in like this, but I mean, I have my son here. I had no choice. And this is kind of like my honey-do list day, so mix it around real good. From what I've heard, you want it to be all one consistent color. And from some people I heard too, you'll feel it start to warm up on your fingers. I'm not quite sure how I want to go about doing this yet. Oh yeah, I can smell it. You can smell the epoxy. I'm thinking about just rolling out a snake and dropping the frame right in the groove where it busted. Something like that. So okay, maybe not. So let me do it like this, because I think I'm just gonna go
This is really what it's all about, being back for kids. A lot of touring knows how important that is. Before leading the New York Giants to a Super Bowl win in 2008, he started in his own game. And among the people of the New York Giants, coach teach John your skills to become a friend in the United Way. Simple things. So I had adjusted it.
something like that. I've got such a big bed frame, it's hard for me to get my tripod close. Rotate this more toward my, there. See it all corner in the corner over there. Well, I'm gonna do the outside. I'm also gonna do that outside. So we'll do that right there now. You're awful talkative today. Yeah, you're awful talkative today. You know that? Is it because I'm shooting a YouTube video? You want recognition too? I'm just cutting this right now. I know I got it camera down there still where I'm about to be working at. I said I'm trying to do this as fast as possible because this is JB Weld KwikWood, I think is what it's called. Yeah, KwikWood. And I swear by JB Weld, I'm actually going to be using some here in a little bit for another project that I'll probably end up videoing also. About a week or so ago, me and my wife were going somewhere, and I had to take my personal carry, my 22 that I've done the review on. If you guys have seen it, if not, it's a good video, go watch it. Went to go put it in my glove box in my car, my SUV, and I bumped the top of the framing around the glove box, and it caught the pinky grip extension on my magazine and popped the spring out, and stuff shot everywhere. And so I'm gonna attempt to JB Weld it all back on and take it out to the range and see if it's functional. I mean, I have more magazines, I can get them. They're not hard to acquire. I just don't feel like having one in the chamber with none to follow. And there it is on the outside. I'm going to let that set up. Let the inside set up. And I'll have to come back, I guess, and show the finished work and how well it held up. But like I said, I saw some reviews on YouTube, and people were really liked it. If it works out, I got a few screw holes I got to fill in my kitchen. When I redid my kitchen and my cabinets, the screws are smaller than what the idiots use drywall screws, I guess, to hang the original cabinets. Damn shame I got to do all this too, because we're getting ready to move. This was the house that we got when we had our daughter, and in May, this past May, we just had our son. So we need to look for another house. So I need to get all the repairs done, I guess, anyway, and get it out of the way. So yeah. And my other son, he's a new driver, so he's got me working on his car and all that good jazz. That feels pretty solid, guys. It really does. The inside, I'm in here playing with it, trying to smush it down a little. You can tell it's already starting to set. I'm not going to say rock hard, but it's in there pretty good. So, I'm going to leave you guys with that. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know. Stay humble. Enjoy and appreciate every day. live life to the fullest. This is Swift One. I'm out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I'll get back with you guys on how well this sat up. And like I said, I'll probably be doing the other video today, fixing that magazine. So until then, I'm out.